Welcome to Python training. Now this is our beginner level course of Python. So first of all, let us understand what is the difficulty level. So as this is a beginner level course, it won't be as difficult for you to understand because we would be starting with the basic concepts. So you can assume that the difficulty level is of beginner type. But now what do you require or what skill sets you must have to undergo this course? So first of all, you need to have any basic knowledge of any programming language, be it C programming, C++, C#, Java, or any other kind of programming language also. But you should understand what a programming language is basically. Okay. Now we move ahead, we come to our main course objective. So in this particular course, you would be able to create many programs on Python, numbers, strings, and list type. Similarly, you will understand what is control flow in Python. Also, you would know or you can create various examples on functions using Python. Okay, what will you learn from this session or from this particular course? So a particular student would learn what is Python, how to create programs using numbers, using strings and list types. Similarly, you would understand what are different types of control flow statements and what functions do we create or we use into Python. Let's move ahead and we will see if there are any prerequisites or requirements. So yes, you should have a basic knowledge of any programming language. And after we continue this, let's see who would be our target audience. So anyone who basically wants to learn Python could be our target audience for this particular session. In that case, the audience could be also such who are having knowledge of Python of any earlier versions and they want to upgrade themselves to the newer version of Python. Okay, so anybody basically who wants to learn something about Python. Let's move ahead and we would understand by the end of this course what following skill sets you would have. So you would basically have a lot of hands-on experience in creating programs in Python using numbers, strings, and lists. Also, along with that, programs on control flow statements, functions in Python. So without wasting time, let's start with our Python beginner level course. Thank you very much.